As you guys saw from the driving up footage, we are public land. He drove.
No one owns this shit.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll leave the tag.
Yeah.
In case you see wildlife of any sort, just throw it at it.
And we have a new addition to the family. Welcome the HK416. It's a gas blowback, runs on WeTech M4 mags. It has an HK416 lower body and stock. The rest is a C8. Paired with an ACOG lens protector, irons from a Chris Vector, PEC 9, and G&G armament suppressor with an angled grip. And yeah, then we're running old trusty Colt.
45s.
Yeah.
Most reliable pistol on the market.
In my opinion, it is.
Works in any environment. I don't give a shit about block guys.
Yeah, and we're also running 1-point sling, and it's just going to be a 1v1 because we couldn't find anybody else to join.
Everybody else is block.
Yeah, everybody else is a chicken shit.
Alright, if you didn't know, we're running 3.2s, bio.
These are, I got 5 of these mags. I can only run low caps for any of those who are new to the gas blowback industry. Only low cap, so I have 150 rounds, while August has that in one of his mags. One of that holds 150, 5 of my mags, which are, these hold 30 each. So 3 times 5, you can probably then put the numbers together. We are running comms, it's just it's not linked to our headsets. We're just running individual radios. So yeah, hoping not to run into anything too great, but
Yeah, we'll see what happens here.
alrighty, we'll start heading up. 3, 2, 1, go! Did you say hit? Did you say hit? Oh. Yeah, we're good. We can pause. Yeah, so you just want to do right there, give that a try? Because this is just myth busting. We will probably be back here another time, to be fair. This time was just to scout it out. They say thank you to D.S.G for letting us collab with them and making all of this possible. Like, for example, none of these mags would be loaded without their unicorn speed loader that they gave me. So once again, thank you very much, D.S.G. We love you. I'll put their link to their page and everything that I could find about them below. And yeah, if you ever guys want to meet us, come to BMAP Airsoft Field. We're always there Sundays. Yeah. After that, there's not much to say. Thank you guys for the support. I appreciate it. And you need to stop commenting on the videos every time you look cool. I saw the last video. That guy with the M45 looked cool. You were the guy with the M45. Alrighty, kid up. Let's get this semi-started. Sorta, hopefully. Ish. But I literally can't see a... That I agree with. I have as much as I can fit. That's how I roll. And then if you guys do want to see us play at BMAP and maybe even say hi to us, Saturday, August 23rd, me, August, Fly the Piloteer, Race, everybody you know on the channel will be there Saturday, August 23rd at BMAP Airsoft Field, 5000 Glen Rosa Road. Anything else to add? Yeah, we are, or are we doing the overnight? So it's either Badlands or overnight. Which one? So there might be a bit of Badlands gameplay, maybe next weekend, maybe. Remember, this was recorded on the Friday, on Sunday, so this is going to be edited Friday night, Saturday morning. Sunday night, Monday morning will be another video. Hopefully, if we get enough good footage.
Yeah. A couple tags, a couple 40.
Yeah, there's definitely going to be some indoors, especially my dad's birthday, so there's going to be a lot of indoors.
So we're expecting two 40 millimeters, two
shitload of tag-ins. Yeah, so alrighty, let's get this started. Who's going? Yep, ceasefire.